Today you'll learn how to make slow motion for a few seconds, and then snap back to full speed. Make sure your video is on the timeline, and ready to edit. For the best slow motion effect, your video should be 60 frames per second. Right-click your clip, and select Retime Controls. Move the playhead to where you want the slow motion section to start. Click the little arrow on the speed bar, and select Add Speed Point. Move to where you want it to end, and add another speed point. Now your clip has 3 sections: normal, slow motion, normal. Click the middle section, choose Change Speed, and set it to 25%. Now this part plays in slow motion, while the rest stays normal. In the inspector under Retime and Scaling, set Retime Process to Nearest. Using Nearest keeps the slow motion crisp and clean, without blur or glitches. Now a few words about the audio. Slow motion can sound distorted. To fix it, you can delete just the slow motion section by unlinking the clips, then split it with Ctrl+B at the start and end, and press delete. Or, you can remove the whole audio track, and add music, or effects. And remember, use a 60 frames per second video for slow motion. It's smoother, because there are more frames to stretch. Using 24 or 30 frames per second can look choppy.